A very good afternoon to all the ladies and gentlemen. We are, our company name is Atom State. We are from Hyderabad. And first of all, very thank you so much for CII for giving us this opportunity. So the product that we are going to explain today is going to be Atom X, an AI-enhanced natural language processing and natural language understanding platform. So before we explain you the key pain that we are focusing on, I would like to remind this one point that the future fuel for any organization, irrespective to the domain or irrespective to the size, is going to be the data. So any company that handles their data, manages their data in an effective way, are going to be the future winners. But of course, managing and working with data is always a complex task since starting. And these are the few main problems that every company faces. The first thing is that in the present generation or in the upcoming generations, the size of the data is not going to be small. Right now it's in gigabytes and terabytes, and future we may know how far it goes. And this data is not going to be at one place, but in different databases and different platforms, which makes it very difficult for the organizations to access the data, to combine the data, and to understand what meaning that they are providing. Let's say that there are some upcoming technologies like artificial intelligence, which has the capability to reduce the pain of data handling and data work, but it still has some pending rule books which must be fulfilled in order to use them in the most effective way. Along with that, whenever we say data, the most important problem that we all focus is on the data security and data leakage. So considering each and every single problem statement that we mentioned, we came up with a solution which is AtomX, and my colleague Krishna will explain the solutions.
Yeah, sorry, it's very cold in here. So, pardon me if I shiver a bit. So as far as our solution is concerned, we are a cloud native platform. So no matter how much data you process or you have or you possess, our platform is capable to extend to accommodate your data size. And the thing is, you can query the data using a natural language and get the access to your data in a single click of a button. So it's like Google search, but within the perimeter of your organization. So how we differentiate ourselves? So there are existing platforms out there in the market, but they are offered as a software as a service platform, whereas we are a platform as a service offered in a control plane, data plane architecture. So we control the control plane that is hosted at our end, and we deploy our services in your cloud or in your premises as a customer plane or a data plane, where the services are deployed and they are integrated with all your internal and external systems, and the data is indexed. Then you can run a natural language queries on top of it, and it returns the best result. When you say if it's a good result or bad result, the system gets trained in itself. So we deploy services or custom AI models that are, bespoke to your requirements in your premises or in your cloud, and then we monitor its performance. So we don't have any access or control over your data. So you own your data, you control your own data. We just are the, enablers to extract more value from your data. So that's what we do in a nutshell. So yes, the security is taken care with this architecture. So these are some of the features that it provides. So let's say you conduct, on an average, an organization conducts around 50 meetings per day. This is when I'm talking about large enterprises. So we index even your minutes of meetings automatically, where we create bots. It sends the transcription, we summarize, and you can get information in a click of a query, single query. And we offer nifty features as well. So let's say you want to get the content, we also summarize and we translate the content on top of the search results. So these are all the nifty features that we provide. So it's the search engine for your entire organization, where we integrate APIs, your custom internal products which are not exposed to anywhere, and so on. And our target customers are all enterprises. So that's our user profile.
So when we talk about the concept of minutes of meeting, right now the traditional way is whenever we're in a meeting, there will be one person who will be taking down the key points. But there are situations where this person might involve in the meeting so much that he forgets to take down the minutes of meeting, or it's not always possible for a person to note down all the key points in a lengthy meeting. So that's where our the minutes of meeting tool comes in. What actually happens here is that we work with both online and offline meetings. It records the meeting, it transcripts the whole meeting, speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker 3, and so on. And then it gives the overall summary of the meeting. It gives summary of each and every single person's meeting. And it gives the key points or the future actions, what decisions were taken, what are the future plans that are discussed in the meeting. Also, one thing we are really focusing on is to understand the sentiment, overall sentiment of the meeting, whether it went in a happy tone or it went in a aggressive tone, and so on. So this is how we are different when compared to the existing solution. Right now, if you consider the concept of minutes of meeting, there are tools like bots that enter into your meeting, takes the recording and just gives the transcript. Whereas our model does a lot of other things, like with one click, you can get the summary, you can get the translated meeting, and you can get the overall report in a PDF format, and you can also share it in your social media platforms if you're interested, or also you can share it to their email address. The third one, if you see, customized machine learning models to trace our sentiments, similarities, etc. In the existing sentiment analysis model, let's say, if there are two products, product A and product B, there are situations that the user may comment, like let's take a platform like YouTube. A person if there is a video on product B, but a user comments regarding product A in a positive way, the general traditional sentiment analysis model, it says that it is positive for product B also. So what I'm trying to say is we are trying to develop a sentiment analysis model that is very specific to one product or one domain. So these are the key features, and Krishna will continue the rest.
Yeah, so as I was saying, so we index everything that happens in your organization, and you can query anything that happens in your organization. So minutes of meeting, no one is really doing that in the market. So we are offering our own solution for that as well, and we are offering the indexing. So indexing is the main part. So these are all the peripheral advantages that if you adopt our system that comes with our systems. So this is the market size as far as the natural language market is concerned. Yeah, and this is our business model. So we have 4 subscription layers. So $10, $25, $50, and $75, each with its own set of features. Yeah, and this is our go-to-market strategy. Our customer acquisition cost is 0 as of now. So we have acquired more customers organically rather than investing in marketing and so on. So these are our channels, and we are getting successful with these channels, and this is the traction that we have got. And some of them have been deployed in production, and some of them are in proof of concept stage for these organizations, and very soon they are going into production environment. Yeah, so these are our customers. And these are our achievements till now. So we have been recognized by Telangana AI mission powered by NASCOM, then India Startup Festival, Telangana State Innovation Council, and we have also been placed in BITS Pilani's Pitchers Pilot in top 8. So this is our journey till now. You can reach out to us anytime.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
If you
so
have
much.
any questions, you may reach out to us offline.
Yes, we can take that offline. Thank you so much, Atom State. We now have the next startup, Meadow Plus.